Redneck Garage. Well, I hadn't made any videos lately because this house remodel that we did has almost killed me. It's almost like rebuilding a whole new house. It almost would have been easier to start from scratch than in some ways than I think that we did, but I'm almost done with it. Coming up, there'll be some videos of the remodel and, you know, before and after. I'm not going to bore you with like minutia of that, but it really does look pretty nice. Now, last week, one of the last things we did to the front of the house was pour a new driveway. And here's a couple clips from my friend Johnny Arnold from Arnold Concrete pouring my new driveway. Turn up the driveway. Woo! Should look a lot better. Holy crap, look at this stuff. It's looking better. There's my old steps. Nice. Super. There's a mini car fixing this redneck driveway. It's about to go away. Alright, today is the driveway day. And the driveway I thought was going to be one of the last things that we did to get the house all fixed up and remodeled. And it's early. Back here is going to be my little storage building. Be 8 by 12, 10 by 12. It'd be a 10 by 12 building right there. And Johnny's going to bring the little skid steer back here and kind of level it out. And that's where I'm going to build my building. We'll get rid of that tent. Then we can start cleaning up all this crap in the backyard. Man, it's going to be a lot bigger, that's for dang sure. But it should be a huge improvement because the old driveway was starting to crack up and we had that cut in over here, which was a pain in the butt getting cars in and out because you had to kind of miss it. And we came out further on the side over here. So it'd be easier to park something, probably park them sideways. Getting the gravel spread out. Looking pretty good though. Holy crap, that's gonna be a big driveway. There it is, man. It's like Grand Central Station around here. We got one truck there. Got one truck over here about to pour. Holy crap. There's the new storage building where it's going to be built. That's going to look good right there. Randy's here! There he is. Huh? It's too loud. I can't hear you. We're going to have to dub this in.
Yeah.
We're going to dub it in. Yeah.
Okay.
He's here!
Yeah. It's been a while.
It has been a while. I'm trying to get some videos made, but
You need to.
I've been so busy with this remodel.
Okay.
Tell him how busy I've been with this remodel.
He's been busier than a
One-legged paper hanger. One arm paper hanger. Cat full of
a snake's belly and a wagon rut.
That's
No,
it.
That's the wrong metaphor.
Never mind. Anyway, so they're waiting on one last truck to finish up because the concrete was not magic and it did not expand any further. That's good. All right. Day 2, and they're here to take off the plastic and pressure wash it, and it is a muddy freaking mess out here. Jeez. Oh. Nasty. Here's how my new driveway looks. It's bad to the bone, let me tell you. It's much wider. We got rid of that little cut. You had to go up and cut in. I got rid of that, so it's just a straight driveway. And look how wide that thing is. You can park 2 cars and get out and not walk through the mud. And we did this little walkway going up to the house. So when you get out of your car and you go across to the front, there's that little bitty side step there. Which that was Jennifer's idea, but I really like it. It looks good. We got to do some landscaping, get some dirt brought in here. All the other junk. I got to finish the columns, but for the most part, it looks a lot better. I think I'm going to seal the driveway once it gets cured out real well because I don't want to get any oil or junk on it. That kind of leads me to my next little project. We'll take a look at that. This is the next project I got to get done. You can see that it's on pallets and it's a big box and it came from Home Depot. Actually, it is a 10 by 12 storage building. Yay! Let's go around back and I'll show you what I'm doing with it. If you remember the Redneck Spray Booth 3, that was it right there, and it didn't fare too well. One night, I think one of the kids went in, left the door open on it, so wind got up underneath it. We came out, and it was up in the air, and it bent it all up, so that thing's toast. I bought an old gray wheel. This thing's super cool. Anyway, so this thing's going away, and you can see back here I've poured a pad where the building is going to go. Here's the pad where the building's going to go, and it's got a little bit of storage up on top, which will be a pretty good size to be able to store tools and other junk out here. And I got to level this down a little bit. I'm going to pour some gravel in, so if I'm working on cars, I can actually bring them back here and work out of the little building then rather than the front door, which is okay. Everything else is just a big, huge pigsty mess because everything got just kind of dumped outside. So I'm trying to get this building finished, and then we can get finished with finishing up the backyard. So you're probably wondering what we're going to do next on the Redneck Garage. Well, I'll tell you. I got to finish that building, but I'm going to be moving some tools in there and organizing it. But I want to talk about hard tops, soft tops with my Jeep, right? I've got a new top from some rough country that's a factory replacement type top, and I'm going to be putting a soft top on the TJ because I found the hard top is really not that fun during the summer. Then we're also going to be looking at the little Toyota. I'm going to be looking at the rust repairs in the back, maybe painting that thing. I ran into Jennifer's Prius, which hasn't been a priority to fix, but I got to fix that too. So there'll be some paint and body work on that. And we're going to be doing some gearing on the Jeep. There's a lot of stuff that's coming up. I'm going to give you some tours of the inside of the house so you can show what the heck is taking you a year to do. It's taken me a year to do. I have a job and I have a remodeling job. And I fired my contractor, so there's a story on that. So all that's coming up. I just want to say that I am so thankful that you're subscribed to the Redneck Garage. Keep watching. I got some videos of some people that stopped by the Redneck Garage, probably right in the middle of this stuff, and I haven't been able to put those online. I'm going to get to all that, I promise. Got my wife over here. I want to do some on the Redneck Garage channel, and it's been fun. Anyway, I've been overwhelmed. We're back to doing some videos, and we'll do some videos on the Jeep, the Toyota. Anyway, all that stuff. Keep watching, and keep turning wrenches.